My name is Rafi Kenzo Peter from St. John's School. Today I'm going to dissect a flower. This is a flower from a butterfly tree, or in Latin we call it bauhinia purpurea. Now, the equipment that we're going to use is some glue, marker, scissors, tweezers, and tape. Now let's try to dissect this flower. So this is the petals, this is the stamen, and in the middle of all those, is the pistil, and below the petals are the sepals. Here's the petals. This is the stamen. This is the pistil. This is the sepals. And this is the stem. Now we can glue it. For this time, I'm going to be using tape. So these are all the parts of a flower. So this is the stamen. The stamen is the male part of the flower. The stamen has two parts. The anther, which the pollen is produced, and the filament, where the anther is being held. This is the pistil. The pistil is the female part of the flower. It has three parts. The sticky stigma that helps to catch the pollen from the anther, the style, and the ovary. The ovary is where the seed is being made, and usually has one or more ovals. This is the petals. This butterfly tree petal has bright pink colors. And this is the sepal. The sepals have leaf-like shapes that have nectar and perfume to attract bees or other insects at their base. And this is the stem. The stem is the part that holds this whole flower. So, by looking at all this flower, we can tell that this is a complete flower. Why? Because it has four main parts: the pistil, the sepals, the petal, and the stamen. Automatically, it becomes a perfect flower. Why? Because it has both female and male parts, the pistil and stamen. So, this flower is pollinated by animals or insects. Why? Because it has bright colors, produce nectar, and scented. Insects will visit this flower to get nectar to feed themselves or their young. The pollen may stick onto their body when they brush against the same anther. The pollen on their bodies may land on the stigma of the same flower or another flower of the same kind. That's all for my presentation. I hope it will be useful for those who want to dissect a flower. And for my suggestion, for those who want to dissect a flower, you must use adult plant, where each part of a plant is already grown, fully grown. And for my second suggestion, you must be very careful on dissecting this flower, because the parts are very small. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!